At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, January 11, 2023, what happens if Mullen misses its key January 13th deadline? Mullen stock investors should expect to see a Form 10-K by Friday. Mullen Automotive has until January 13th to file its Form 10-K, or annual report. A failure to file the form by January 13th would result in Mullen losing its ability to file additional Form S3s and Form S8s. Mullen stock closed higher by 5.8% today. All eyes are on Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, as the electric vehicle company is expected to file its Form 10-K, or annual report, by January 13th for the fiscal year that ended September 30th. Mullen is classified as a non-accelerated filer. That means that it must submit a Form 10-K 90 days after the end of the fiscal year at the latest, which fell on December 29 for the company. Mullen failed to do so, resulting in the company filing a Form NT to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. NT stands for non-timely. That form gave Mullen a 15-day grace period, extending its deadline to January 13. Mullen attributed its delayed Form 10-K to needing more time to value warrants, which could have an impact on the consolidated results of operations. In the meantime, the company has hired an independent third party to assist with the valuation process. But what will happen if Mullen fails to file the form by this Friday? What happens if Mullen misses its key January 13th deadline? There's no way to spin a late filing in a positive light. Mullen's most recent earnings report detailed its financials for the 3 months ended June 30th. For the period, the company had a net loss of $59.47 million and no revenue from business operations. As a result, Mullen stock shareholders are anxious to see the numbers for the 3 months ended September 30th, hoping for revenue. A failure to file the Form 10-K by January 13th will only make matters worse. According to a report by 100F Street, a failure to file a Form 10-K by the extended deadline will result in Mullen not being able to file a short-form registration statement on Form S3 for at least 1 year. A Form S3 is used for certain types of offerings. Mullen last utilized this form on November 21 when it announced the resale of up to 220.82 million shares of common stock. If Mullen misses the deadline, it will also lose its Rule 144 eligibility and the ability to file a Form S8. A Form S8 is used for offering securities under an employee benefit plan. Meanwhile, Rule 144 covers unregistered public resales of restricted and controlled securities. Ultimately, Mullen stock could be at risk of being suspended or delisted under Nasdaq guidelines if the Form 10-K is never received.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.